Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Xoom PayPal account. First, navigate to the Xoom website or download their mobile application. You will then choose to sign up, ideally using your existing PayPal account for a seamless experience. Make sure to provide your email address and create a strong, unique password to secure your new account. This initial step is quick and straightforward, getting you ready to send money in just a few moments. Next, you will securely link your PayPal account by logging in with your existing credentials. After linking, you will need to provide your personal details, including your full legal name, current address, and a valid phone number. Xoom may also ask you to complete an identity verification step, which typically involves uploading a government-issued identification document. This ensures the security and compliance of your transactions. Now, it is time to add your recipient. You will first select the country where your recipient resides and will receive the money. Then, choose a delivery method that works best for them, such as a direct bank deposit or a cash pickup at a designated location. Carefully enter all the recipient's details, including their full name and any required bank information, ensuring everything is accurate for a smooth transfer. Finally, you are ready to send your first transfer. Input the exact amount of money you wish to send and carefully review all associated fees and exchange rates. Before confirming, double-check all transaction details, including the recipient's information and the total amount. Once sent, you can easily track the status of your transfer using the unique Xoom transaction identification number provided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.